Hey, what's up, Internet people? This is Joey K. And I just want to tell you something that you should pick up. Fisher's Chef's Gourmet Walnuts. These are the best walnuts out there. They come in halves and pieces. This is the big 2-pound bag. This is great for your body. Do something good for yourself. Get yourself some Fisher walnuts. Great source of protein. Great for your body. I mean, this is what your body was intended to eat and digest. Walnuts. Fisher's. Hey, top shelf. Nothing but the best. Again, this is Joey K. Thanks for watching. You have a great day.